That's true.
Good morning, guys. I am Unnati Arya and I don't know what I am doing. I am just doing random shits or talking random to a camera phone. Um, I'm in a shit. So today is Sunday and I was feeling bored, so I wanted to record something for YouTube, and so that's why I am here. And कमेंट्स में बताओ तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो. लेट्स टॉक. सो तुम लोग के साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि तुम्हारे पास करने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है, तुम बोर हो रहे हो, तुमने इंस्टा चला लिया, यूट्यूब चला लिया, अभी भी तुम बोर हो रहे हो, तुम्हारे पास अभी भी करने के लिए कुछ नहीं है, एंड
Yes, bitch. Yeah.
then you just lie around doing the thing, and then at a point you think that you are wasting time, and actually it's true also, but yeah, it's true that you are wasting time. Let me just put my phone into this
हाँ ये कर लो पहले.
so I could talk to you very nicely, and yeah, that's it. Just give me a second. I think it's done. Yeah, so I was just lying around. I wanted to read a book, but I got bored of that too, so I thought that I would share something with you guys. And actually I don't have anything to share. You could watch the vlog if you wanted to listen to me just speaking non-stop nonsense, and if that's the case, then I love you too.
Thank you.
For listening to me. And so अगर कोई मुझे देख रहा है तो please suggest me some ways so I could regrow my hair faster. My hair, I have got a severe hair fall in the past few months, and almost 60% of my hair have fallen out, or I have lost 75% to 60% to 75% of my hair. I was not going to talk about my hair actually. I just wanted to talk about that. Let me put it into words. In recent years, we all have actually
That's true.
so we must have noticed that in recent years climatic change and the environment have been worsened. Yeah, and the use of plastic we are doing in everyday life has been increased, including from your moisturizer to shampoo bottles to oregano or chili flakes containers to calculators to everything, to kitchen or household containers, everyday snacks items, packaging, everything, even they are recycled from the old bowls of bowls are also harmful. Then I was just thinking, I don't think these which should be environment friendly and biodegradable to actually use, but yeah, it's plastic, that's what. So we could give it a try on our personal कि सर हम सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाएंगे, और इसका एक अच्छा सॉल्यूशन है कि हम ज़्यादा पेड़ लगाएं, क्लाइमेट टेम्परेचर खुद डाउन होगा और एसी का यूज़ हम लोग कम करें, राइट.
Yes, bitch. Yes.
Again, coming to my productivity, ऐसे ही कुछ के बारे में सोचो और कुछ बोलने लगती हूँ मैं. If you are feeling bored, then I am just a girl
Okay.
ओके सो आज शाम को मुझे अपने दोस्त की बर्थडे पार्टी में जाना है. वी आर गोइंग टू मोका ऑब्वियसली एंड आई हैव टू गेट ड्रेस्ड. आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड समथिंग what I would wear or something like that. Now time is 12:30 and the only thing I have done is I brushed my teeth, I brushed and I had my coffee. Nothing else. I didn't have my breakfast or lunch till now. And I think I should go and prepare my lunch now. Otherwise I'll eat late, then I'll feel full in the party itself and I'll not eat that much, and then what kind of party is that? I'm not going there for vibe, I'm going there for the food. Yeah, right. Okay. So, coming to that. Do you want me, if you want me to talk about something else, please ping me in the comments. We could chat or something like that. But I don't know what to start, where to start, how to do, what to do. I'm just a girl. Okay. So, I recently quit my job and I'm searching for a new job and I'm not getting it, and it's killing me. So that's why I'm starting this YouTube channel, so I do not get depressed. And I have to pack and shift to my hometown in about a week, and my whole packing is a cover, so I have to do that also. And I don't know how to figure it out, figure out everything. So I don't know. I seriously don't know. Yeah. So I was talking to a tilted camera for about 5 minutes, and yeah, this is me. I'm a very clumsy type of person, and obviously if you'll watch me for a long run, then you could beat me. But we will improve. That is my silk pillow case, which I have been using for since 1 year, because they say it releases the tension and helps in hair fall, something like that. So I have replaced all my cotton pillow covers and using this. I bought a set of 2 and I use it in order, but once it gets dirty I replace it. And the other pillow I am to hug, and this is for ऐसे पता नहीं सोने के लिए. So this is of cotton. Moving on. So I have done BTech like 90% of the Indians, and I was working in a startup and I recently quit. I served my notice period. It's 1 or 2 weeks left. 1 week left actually. Why I'm saying 1 to 2, I don't know. I don't even know why I'm making this video out, and I don't even know whether or not anyone is watching me right now. But if you do, thank you.
I love you.
Okay. So, तो तुमको क्या लगता है? घर जाके हमको ताना मिलेगा? नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि मेरे पेरेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्टिव. लेकिन मेरा भी कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. अब मेरा जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है हम तो वो कर नहीं रहे. I'm a bad child. I think I am a bad child. My parents have done so much for me, and I think I feel like I'm a failure now, because I don't know that. I think I am a failure. I gave interview for Amazon, Google, but I was not able to crack it down. And that shows that I need lots of improvement. I have given many interviews, but haven't been able to clear them. My father is calling. Should I stop the video or to take the call, or I'll call him after finishing this video, right? Okay. So, what do you think? What should I do? Do you think I look cute?
Okay.
So basically, I'll try to attach the photos of me and the food, the two most important things there. And here is one more thing I wanted to show you guys, and this is tantara. This is baked rasgulla, which one of my friend made and gave it to me last night. And these are some of the pictures from the party, and yeah, this is me. This was my outfit basically, and this was the vibe. So this is after the party, and I have reached home. And okay, my face looks so much dull right now, but